Good morning everyone, it's time for phonics again today. Let's learn another new sound. The sound we're going to learn today is E, 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 E. Well done. Let's look at our picture card for today. There's some people in a tree and one of them is looking through some binoculars. And it says, what can you see? What can you see? Let's Fred talk some words. They've got the E sound in them. I'll Fred talk the words and let's see if you can blend them. G-R-E-N. G-R-E-N. Green. K-eep. K-eep. Keep. Well done. F-eel. F-eel. Feel. Brilliant, well done. When we see this side of the card, we say, what can you see? What can you see? This side of the card is our sound E. E. There's two letters there together that make one sound, so these are special friends. E. I'm going to flip the card. If you see this side, you say E. If you see this side, you say, what can you see? Are you ready? Brilliant, well done. Let's hide E in our pack. Remember, when you see the new sound that we're learning today, E, say the sound and wave. Let's hide it in our cards. Ready? A, F, Sh, Y, E. Well done. Let's hide it again. W, V, Qu, E. Let's do one more. J, E. Well done. Let's read some sounds that have got the E sound in them. Read some words even. So remember, we're looking for the special friends first, then we're going to Fred talk, and then we're going to read the word. Watch me first. Special friends, E. Fred talk, S-E-N. Read the word, seen. Your 10. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, seen. Well done. Special friends, E. Fred talk, read the word, been. Special friends, E. Fred talk, read the word, see. Brilliant, well done. Special friends, there's 2, F and E. Fred talk, F-R-E. Read the word, 3. Special friends, E. Fred talk, G-R-E-N. Read the word, green. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, sleep. Well done. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, seen. Fantastic, well done. Let's do some more green word cards and let's practice words that have got some of the special friends we've learned already in them. So let's practice, same as before. Special friends, talk. Read the word thin. Special friends, qu. Fred talk. Qu is. Read the word quiz. See if you can do them by yourself now. Special friends, a. Fred talk. D-a. Day. Special friends, ch. Fred talk. Read the word chop. Special friends, sh. Fred talk. Read the word fish. Special friends, a. Fred talk. Read the word play. Special friends, Fred talk. Read the word wing. Special friends, shh. Fred talk. Read the word ship. Special friends, Fred talk. Read the word thin. Well done. Got to make sure we practice those special friends with the words that we've been learning to make sure we've got them in our brains. Let's try and do our alien words now. Remember yesterday we looked at some words that were from an alien language. So these are some more words from our alien language. You've got to look carefully for the special friends this time because there's no dots and lines to show you where they are. So watch me first. Special friends. E. Fred talk. D-r-e-n. Read the word dream. It's a silly made up word. Your turn. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Read the word breen. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Read the word fleep. Special friends. Ooh. Can you see them all? Ch. E. F. There are 3 special friends in this one. Fred talk. Read the word chief. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Read the word treek. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Read the word steen. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Sk-l-e. Read the word sklee. That one's not supposed to be in there. Haven't done that sound yet. Let's try this one once more. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Read the word breen. Brilliant. Well done. We're going to have a go at writing some of the words with the E sound in that we've learned today. So you need your pencil and your paper. Let's have a go at writing the word see. See. I can see you. Hide your fingers. Fred talk the word S-E. Hold up the number of sounds you need. Fingers. You should have 2 fingers because there are 2 sounds in the word see. Let's pinch them. S-E. S-E. Have a go at writing it on your paper. S-E. Have you had a go? Let's do it together. S-E. And remember, I would like you to put a line under any special friends you've got. So here's my special friends. Have a look at yours and have a look at mine. Have you got the S sound first? Give it a tick. Have you got the E sound? S, E, C. Brilliant. Let's try writing the word bean. I have been for a walk. Bean. Hide your fingers. Fred, talk it. B-E-N. Get the right number of fingers ready. And fingers. You should have 3 fingers because there are 3 sounds in the word bean. Let's pinch them. B-E-N. B-E-N. Have a go at writing it on your paper. B-E-N. Remember to underline your special friends. Let's do it together. B-E-N. Underline my special friends. E. Have a look. Have you got your B round the right way? Give it a tick if you got it round the right way. If you got it round the wrong way or you didn't quite get the right sound there, write it up or fix it up here. If you've got the E sound, give it a tick. And if you've got the N at the end, give it a tick. B-E-N, bean. Brilliant. Let's try writing a different word now. Let's try writing green. So hide your fingers. Fred, talk the word. G-R-E-N. Green. Ready? Fingers. You should have 4 fingers because there's 4 sounds in the word green. Let's pinch them. G-R-E-N. G-R-E-N. Have a go at writing green on your paper. Let's do it together. G-R-E-N. Have a look. Have you got the G sound? Have you got the sound next? We've got the E. Special friends. Did you underline them? Give them a tick if you got them right. And the last sound we've got is N. G-R-E-N. Green. Let's try one more word. Let's write the word 3. 3. Hide your fingers. Fred, talk. 3. Ready? Fingers. 3 sounds in the word 3. Let's pinch them. E. E. Let's do it together. Is the first sound, which we learned already. Is some of our special friends. E. Another special friend. E. 3. Let's check. Did you get both the letters you need for the sound? Give it a tick. If you've got the give it a tick. And if you've got the E sound, give it a tick. Fantastic. Let's practice the sounds that we learned yesterday. Just to make sure we can remember, let's write the word play. Play. Hide your fingers. We're reviewing the A sound we learnt yesterday. P-L-A. Fingers. Pinch it. P-L-A. P-L-A. Write it on your paper. P-L-A. Don't forget to underline your special friends. P. Give a tick. A, A, clay. Let's do one more to practice the A sound from yesterday. Let's write the word way. Which way should I go? Way. Hide your fingers. Red talk it. W-A. Show me fingers. Pinch it. W-A. W-A. See if you can write it. W-A. Underline my special friends. W. Give it a tick if you got the W first. And A. W-A. Way. Fantastic writing today. I'm looking forward to seeing a photo of your writing as you've been writing along with me. And as an extra challenge, I would like you to see if you can put one of your E words, into a sentence. I can see a dog. I have been to the park. You can come up with one of your own sentences if you like. And remember to upload a photo when you're done. See you soon. Bye.